Alright, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not forward from KingMixUp, it's not credible. And you already know the day my peeps, my daddy suffer telling the war go on for not to go on. You see me, so obviously can see the war get mucky. You see me, I say, and Foota hype is not looking good because at the end of the day, his baby moms is coming out here saying that he's not doing a good job. You see me, I say, from Aishana to that one, yeah, you see me, but boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, her daughters have not contacted me and let me know, King. You see, oh, she has said Foota hype is a deadbeat. Well, she have 3 daughters out in Costa Rica that she doesn't do nothing for. You see me, I say, some of them is still minors, you feel me, and they have to be eating lunch at school, or else they don't eat nothing for the day. You see me, I say something about, you know, their dad being sent to prison because of the mom and all of these stuff. You see me, I say, bare things are going on. You can press pause and read the back and forth in the comment section between the mama and the daughter. But she also released, or I should say leaked, some voice messages of the whole shishkabang. Listen, man, I said, so let's hear what going for that to go on, because you know, say the baby mother, you know, go live with one Kevin and all of these good stuff to bring Foota hype down, and Foota say cartel pair for do all of them things, you see me?
Look, mom, me tired. Say you always I tell my father say no say no money, no do nothing. You always say that you don't say no money. We don't have no light. You don't want nobody to give we money for light. You always that is my friend that I said that because everybody at Costa Rica knows that we are we have to ask people for money. You don't want to give no money. You ask my father got prison, then who are gonna take care of you? You too selfish. Me don't want to talk to you never again. You too worthless. Me don't want to talk to you and never again. You always I tell everybody say. My father no send no money, my father no send no money, but you don't send we no money. You get mad because we use $11 in your card. You don't want even give us $11. Me don't have no money if you graduate, and you don't want give me no money if you graduate. So if you want to send my father prison, you can send my father prison because you can't come here, so because you have to give us pension and them I go send you a prison if you come here. So stop tell my father say I go to prison. Because me can't tell everybody to what you do, because you do things too. You tell everybody say my father needs when you do worse things, you don't give it nothing. We did there Panama suffer me sleep on a couch with a lot of mosquito. My foot have a lot of scare because all of the mosquito that they bite me. And you never there. That's when we are suffer. You never there at the place and at the panic when we are suffer. You know there's nowhere when we are suffer. My father go and take we all, not you. So stop talk to me. Me no want to talk to you again. And everybody have free will to talk. So if you think say you can go and talk things about my father and nobody will go talk about you, then you can't say nothing because everybody can send what they want. Me not comment on your page, you can block me, me no care.
Whose fault is that? That's not my problem. That is your father's problem. The panny member, a panny who did there, Panama, and me help on the go over, and the father the thrown over here, thrown down. Remember, your father is an abusive man. Remember, your father let me teeth them out of my head as I left him. You want me to send the blood clot picture them on over here dead for hungry when the father make girl can come put in a hotel? Want to your father? Every day when I talk about, hey, you want to your father. What do I want to go sell my friend for mine, you know? I don't know, a betrayer. Una a friend them I try to style me, not get nothing from me, no lucky. Leave me alone. Go ahead. This is the why me never give me no want give no money. Because here was the first time I talk about Foota, you big brain and ball. Go in a Foota inbox, go talk about. And my mother only I send some money to my brother. And my mother, because you look stupid. How the fuck you go to the person when I want to send the money to your brother? That mean you don't like your brother? You think he might go give you the money? Go talk about your father where I sell drugs so much years I'm life. Go talk to your father. Go talk to your father. Your father workless. If you want me to go and talk about your father, I have no problem because you can't bring me down. And you can't do me nothing because the father have me in custody. And remember, me I try to get my green card all long out on the dirty pooper. And no pooper try everything for me not get it because he want to threaten the liar. You want me to talk, man? You want me to talk, man? Go, man, and leave me alone, man. Go and leave me alone. You can't bring me down. That's why I don't look pan you because you are betrayers. You are my secret enemy. That's why I don't look pan you. You hear now? This is the reason. I could have given my money. Wanna see Ian on the internet? And Ian father, if you show no stupid, look at this point, I'm gonna show you. That's why I'm not giving my money. And Ian, I get the whole light. Ian father, me a tabo, and Ian no over there. Ian no over there in the comments. Ian don't enough. Ian don't care. Ian still talk to me, and Ian talk to me like him not see nothing. You know that? I didn't know that. And Ian father, no Foota father, no too enough.
Problem in the comment section, no, because the people them said, the daughter said she only worried about Foota son because Foota hype is famous. Can you believe that? Yeah. But you hear what she said about Fear Daddy. But this is what she had to say about Foota when she had talked to one Kevin. No.
Mommy, I say, why that girl there frig with me so? Me and him start fights. And after me and him start fight, I front him one. I always want beat up him woman and then one front after.
Okay, repeat that. Hold on. Stop.
Yes,
Stop right there, sir.
he's an abuser.
Repeat that.
He is an abuser.
So he used to beat you? He used to beat you?
Yeah. My friend never liked him.
So he's a...
Yeah, bare things. Anyway, people, just to give them a quick update while going for that to go on. When I get more, I don't want to say information, but I'm in contact with the daughter them, so we'll be putting out their side of the story, because them need assistance. You see, man, says do the right thing and check out these next suggested videos in the super on the screen. And in the meantime, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Please.